Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to learn about visual concepts and communication. In our daily life, we understand many things not only through words but also through image, color, and designs. This topic will help you understand how visual communicates effectively. First one is visual concept and perception and communication. Understanding how visual designs, elements, ecological perceptions, and cognitive processings work together to create effective communication. And second one is why visual designs matter. There are four things, and first one is notice, and second one is understanding, and third one is feel, and fourth one is remember. The notice, craft updation quickly through the context and visual clues. Understanding clarify means and organized structures and hierarchy. Feel evoke emotions and move through color and compositions. Remember, it's a strengthening memory through visual associations and patterns. The visuals designs matter because they communicate idea quickly and effectively without words. For example, a red traffic light instantly tell us to stop. Elements of designs or basic spots used in designs. Line means directions. A mark that connections between the 2 points. For example, the lines are used in roadmap. And second one is shape. Shapes 2D forms. The 2D forms are like a circle and square or triangle. For example, a company logo using the circle shape. And third one is color. Color add moods and meaning to the designs. For example, red color used in stop sign. Textures is a surface feels or appearance. Example, the rough texture in a stone wall photos. And space means positive and negative. The area around object in the designs, the empty space around the text in a posters. Form is 3D object with height, width, and depth. For example, the 3D product model in advertising. Value means dark or lighting color, black to white shading in the drawing. And principles means arranging rules. Um, Balance means it is equal part. There are two types, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical means it's not equal part. Symmetry means equal part. For example, balance is equal visuals weight in the designs, the text on one side and the image on the other sides. Contrast, it's a difference between the elements. When white text on the black backgrounds, it shows the difference between the background and text. Emphasis the is most important part in highlighting the big bold headline in the poster. For example, alignment is arranging elements neatly in the line. uh, Example, brochures. Repetition is consistency. uh, Repeating elements for consistent. For example, shapes, color used in the brand designs. Propositions is size relationship between the elements. The large product image and small descriptions. Movement is guiding the viewer's eye through the designs. The arrow or curve line leading the informations. Perceptions, aesthetics, and the order, clarity, balance, complicity, harmony, meaning, etc. Uh, Perceptual aesthetics is how people see, interpret, and feel about the designs, basing basics on their visual perceptions. In one line, it is a study of how our eyes and brain understanding the judge beauty in visuals. For example, a color, uh, the bright, colorful poster attracts attention quickly and feels exciting, while a dark designs may feel boring and serious. Sensational and versus perception. Sensational receiving raw data and light, color, and brightness. Perceptions is interpreting meaning, object, and message emotions. There are two processings. The first one is bottom up processing. Bottom up processing, the perception starts from sensory input, detail, code. The top down processing, so expectations shapes what we see, the whole details. Gestalt theory principle. Gestalt theory principle, there are some principles. First is proximity. Proximity, near object or grouped. For example, the word space closely or seen as a one group. That is proximity. It's closed item or group together. Similarity items are perceived as relative. The similarity items are grouped. The shapes look related, closer. Closer, mindful's missing pot. A broken circle is still seen as a full circle. Continuity. Continuity, we follow smooth path and light lines. Um, for example, the curved line guide our eyes naturally. The eye flows smooth path. Closest we mentally fit is missing pot, figure ground. Separate main object from the background. For example, the black text on white background. Constructivism in design. Viewers construct meaning based on experience, color, goal, and knowledge. Know your audience, consider age, culture, and experience level. Use familiar symbols, leverage common icon and convention. The provide context, include labels, titles, and supporting informations. For example, the white means purity in some culture, but they use different ideas. Cognitive understanding. There are four types: attention, working memory, dual coding, and schemas. And the first one is the people notice high context, large moving or personally relevant elements. Second one is limited capacity, reduced cognitive, and throw text and meaningful visuals works together. Uh, then text alone. Schemas is a structures make information predictable and familiar. Design checklist for effective communications. One clear idea focus on single message per screen or poster. The strong hierarchy established clear reading order through size and placement. The consistent coding, the same color or styles, the same categories throughout. The minimal culture, removal unnecessary decorations and distractions. The test understanding as someone to interpret your designs for clarity. The constructivisms use simple shapes and bold designs to create powerful and meaningful visuals. And in the effective designs is clear and attractive and easy to understand for the target audience. And the students click on the link and read the questions carefully and submit your answers. Thank you, everyone. Today we have learned the key concept. I hope you understood the topic clearly. Thank you.